So what's the difference between artificial intelligence? What a way to start a video. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Well, artificial intelligence is more of a global concept, and machine learning is one process inside artificial intelligence. So let's clarify it a little more. Artificial intelligence is machines simulating the way a human thinks. Okay, so that's why we call it intelligence. Actually, it's programming, yeah, that seems to be operating on its own and thinking on its own, but it's not really. Yeah, it's predicting and um, and combining, yeah, knowledge that it has from the past that we introduced there. So it can create new things based on mixing things that it has from the past. So it's a general concept that englobes many processes, many types of artificial intelligence. And machine learning is a specific process, which is instead of normal programming, what's normal programming? You tell the machine to go and do step one, step two, step three. For example, I want to cook an egg. The machine cannot cook eggs. Some machines can. But this is just an example of programming, okay? Traditional programming. I want to cook an egg. So prepare the pan, step one. Prepare the egg. Break the egg, step three. Uh, Heat it before it burns. When it's a little toasted, take it out, put it in the plate. So 5 or 6 steps that are broken down inside the program instructions. Yeah, that's the traditional programming. And thanks to uh, thanks to machine learning, we don't need to do the programming anymore. The artificial intelligence will do the programming for us. What? Yes. How does that work? We only give it the outcome that we want. Okay? Maybe we give them, okay, this is an egg, a raw egg, yeah? And you have a pan and you have oil. Maybe we give them initial ingredients, see, ingredients, elements to work with, and we give an outcome. Which is the outcome? The outcome, we show the outcome, it's a fried egg in a plate. Okay? So we give it a start, we give it a finish, and the machine writes all the instructions in the middle, figures out, makes many tests, makes mistakes maybe, but you won't know that, right? It does a lot of learning. How does it learn? Through data. So it does a lot of testing. Taka, 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 taka. It needs millions and millions of data actually to be an efficient machine learning system and give good outputs. And it needs very strong machines that do like billions of experiments at the same time, like like. So you need big machines for that. Though you can have machine learning and you can have artificial intelligence in your own computer at home, yeah. But it will take longer, or it will do more simple things than big computers logically, right? So in a nutshell, it's instead of programming the traditional way with which we've been doing for the last 40 years, 50, you tell the machine what outcome you want, and the machine will figure out how to get there through trial and error. Something like that. I hope it got a little more clear, and I'll make a special episode on machine learning soon.